Hello mga kakuntsaba! Welcome sa isa na namang condo tour kung saan ipapakita namin sa inyo ang sulit at modernong unit na perfect para sa inyo. Ready na ba kayo? Let's go!
Step into your perfectly designed 18 square meter space, compact, efficient, and thoughtfully built for everyday comfort. The kitchen is fitted with a base and overhead cabinets, plus a stainless steel sink ready for you to cook, clean, and create. Enjoy your own private toilet and shower, providing the convenience and privacy you deserve. There is also a provision for a washer and dryer, so you can handle laundry without leaving your unit. This unit comes with a bunk bed complete with mattresses, ideal for resting and maximizing space. A refined, minimalist study table that combines functionality with style, offering a peaceful and organized space for work or study. And to keep things organized, you'll find a closet for your essentials,
Mga kakuntsaba, ang dami na naman nating na-discover at na-explore. Isang compact pero highly functional at sulit na unit. Excited na ba kayong tumira dito? Magpa-schedule na ng libreng site tripping at simulan ang inyong journey sa pangarap na condo unit.